Let's talk about crocheting in the round. When you're crocheting in the round, you typically begin with a magic circle or magic ring and continue crocheting in a spiral. In Amigurumi, you're typically working in a continuous round. This means that you won't join the end of each round with a slip stitch, rather you'll just continue working in a spiral. This is the right side of your work. This is the side of your work that will be showing on the outside. You can tell that it's the right side of your work by looking at the stitches. The stitches on the right side will look like a V. This is the wrong side of your work. This is the side that will be on the inside of your project. You can tell that you're looking at the wrong side by looking at the stitches. You'll see diagonal lines. The side with the V's should be facing out. Now let's learn how to identify and count your stitches. Each V is a stitch. If you're counting from the edge, each stitch has 2 loops. If I needed to figure out which stitch I was on in this round, start at the stitch marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's learn how to identify and count your rounds. Starting in the center, your very first round is the stitches worked in the magic ring. Notice that directly after that round, there's a bit of an indentation. You'll see that between each round. So this is round 1 and round 2, round 3, round 4, and round 5. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm on round 5. And here again you can kind of see those indentations or darker spots between each round. And you can also look for those V's. Each line of V's indicates another round. When working in the round, your piece sometimes curls up on the edges, making it look like the wrong side should be facing out. But here we can see the V's, and that is the right side. You can just flip the piece so that the right side is facing out. Then just continue working around. This is the right side, and this is the wrong side. The wrong side is also typically where that yarn tail from your magic ring just naturally falls.